Would you invest $1 to get access to a clear and simple blueprint on how to make artificial intelligence tools create content for you? And would you like to discover which AI tools can automate your social media content and attract more customers? Or how to master new AI tools like ChatGPT so they can write your social media posts, your articles, and even your video scripts? And how about using creative AI tools that can generate eye-catching images and even an entire video for you? And would you like to be part of a community of other like-minded creators who can support you on your AI journey, keeping you up to date on the latest trends, tools, and practical techniques? Hi, I'm Szilárd from bluefx.net, and for a single dollar, $1, I'm going to give you access to the ultimate AI resource and show you how to systematically start using artificial intelligence tools in your business. And this way you can create more content, automate tasks, and even attract more clients. At BlueFX, we understand how crucial it is for you to be aware of the best tools on the market, so you can stay ahead of your competitors, produce more content, and grow your business. So we wanted to give you a resource that will help you cut the steep learning curve of finding and efficiently using AI tools for content creation. We've put together a membership where you get access to our best AI training, attend live monthly classes, and gain direct access to AI marketing experts. All for just a fraction of what you'd normally have to pay for a live artificial intelligence course. Now, we call this new membership the AI Creators Club. And the best part is you can try it today, risk-free, for just $1. That's it. Now, the AI Creators Club is made for people who are just beginning to use AI tools in their workflow. And here you can learn, hang out, and even get educated on how to use the right AI tools in your business. You get access to our private membership portal or online training center, where you have access to action-oriented training on using AI in your business right at your fingertips. You also get to see how other experienced creators implement AI in their workflow. Now again, you get live monthly classes that will show you how to write copy with AI tools like ChatGPT, so it can craft articles, social media posts, and even video scripts for you, including essential prompts to make your text sound natural. We'll show you how to use image generation tools to create attention-grabbing pictures for your social media posts, products, or even how to sell these images on stock image websites. And yes, I'll even show you how to create awesome paintings of yourself so you can look like a king. Oh, and we can even make this image move and talk simply with the use of AI. You'll also discover how AI tools can generate entire videos for you, including animated presenters that have realistic voices capable of saying whatever you want in your videos. We'll also cover how AI can create shareable short videos, so-called Reels, and I'll show you even how you can get these cool eye-catching animated subtitles to appear automatically without typing in, without animating anything manually, all done by AI. And I'll even show you how these AI tools can automatically select the best part of any video, edit it, and even upload these new videos to social media networks so you get more views, more traffic without any manual labor. And of course, I'll show you which of these tools to use to automate your business and cut costs so your business becomes indestructible in any market condition. You'll get access to AI experts who will answer all your questions. You'll also receive AI workflow templates and prompts that will make these AI tools deliver exactly what you want. You'll also get exercises to help you implement what you've been learning and develop your very own AI workflow. And you get to be part of a community of other people who are all doing the same thing. So this way you can feel the power of the group helping you so you can create more with the use of these cool artificial intelligence tools. Now, it's all about practical knowledge here. And most importantly, as we discover new tools, we share them with you, so you always know what the best AI tools are right now. And since at BlueFX we have a customer base of over 36,000 people, we can negotiate deals, discounts, and even lifetime offers for these new AI tools. And as a member, you get access to all these discounts, so you can save money and always secure the best price possible. Now, you might be wondering what the value of a membership like this is. Now, I've seen this type of training offered for thousands of dollars, but because the AI Creators Club is specially designed for someone who is at the beginning stage of learning how to use AI technology, we wanted to create something that was affordable, accessible, and easy for you. So for $1, you can join today, and for a full 30 days, you get access to everything. Full unrestricted access with no obligations. So you might be wondering, what's the catch? There is no catch, but it's no secret that it's not very profitable for us to give away this entire training resource for only $1. So it's my hope that after you've seen the incredible value of the AI Creators Club and you've seen the results in your own business, you choose to stay involved. If not, I understand, you can cancel before the end of the 30 days and I'll even refund you your $1 if you want. But if you join now and you love the AI Creators Club, which I think you will, then you will automatically be renewed at a very special discounted rate of only $37 per month. That's it, $37 per month. You can try it for a full month for just $1. Now, I can't think of a more fair and reasonable offer than that, but I want to offer you even more. I got a special bonus package that I'm adding to make this an irresistible deal for you. You're about to get your hands on 9 of our top-notch AI training programs, and all designed to make life easy for someone who's just starting out as a content creator, so you can easily leverage the power of artificial intelligence. Now, I've created this series of step-by-step mini courses that teach you each of the fundamental aspects of using artificial intelligence tools in your workflow. Now, these aren't just little 5 or 10-minute trainings. Each of them is an individual course, and they contain detailed step-by-step training modules with exercises, templates, and prompts, so you can easily build the skills that you need. And this way you can quickly implement them in your business and get results. Now, you get them as part of our membership, and you get access to them immediately when you become a member today for just $1. You'll get our crash course called ChatGPT Fundamentals. This is a comprehensive overview of ChatGPT for creating content, including how to write emails, articles, product descriptions, and even how to write video scripts. You'll discover how you can unleash the full potential of ChatGPT, so instead of writing dual robotic copy, it can emulate the style of master copywriters. You'll also get my ultimate collection of 1000 copy-paste prompts for content creation. Now, this will unlock the hidden features of ChatGPT and save you countless hours of work time. Next, you'll get my AI image generation essentials. Now, this is a step-by-step introduction to the best AI image generation tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and others. Now, I will show you how to generate lifelike images that you can use on social media, for your product shots, and even on your own video thumbnails, so that they grab attention and get you a ton of clicks. We'll also cover in this course how to restore old photos and even how to add text over your images so you end up with the perfect image every time. Now, of course, AI can also be used for videos, and for that you get my course called Faceless Videos with AI. You'll discover how to create the perfect script with AI in any niche, also which exact AI software to use to create natural sounding voiceovers, and how to create animated video slides automatically with AI. Now, to make your videos truly stand out, I'll give you my collection of 10 virtual studio packs that can lend authority to your videos, making them look just like presented on the TV stations. And I'll show you how to generate a spokesperson with AI that looks natural and speaks on your behalf. So you could even create your very own news station without hiring any actors. Next, you get my blueprint for the complete smartphone home studio using AI. This will help you shoot and edit the perfect video on your phone. And I'll also show you how to enhance your video and audio quality so it looks and sounds like it was shot in a professional recording studio. And next, you'll get my AI social media marketing protocol. And this will reveal how to use AI to create short-form videos, reels, automatically from your other videos. Now AI will select the best segments, add the animated subtitles, and even share this new video on the social media platforms for you. Now this way you can get 10 times more views on the same exact video. Next, you get my course called Business Automation with AI. Now in this course, you'll discover how you can work in your business much smarter and not just harder. Now I'll show you how AI can automate repetitive tasks, help with customer support, create an automated client onboarding sequence, and even enhance your meetings. So you can make sure that more people attend your meetings, you have better connections with your team, and everybody understands what needs to be done so your business can produce much more. Now with these new AI tools, we can also automate our client getting process. And for you'll get my AI growth hacking blueprint. Now this will reveal how you can get more leads and clients for your business using modern outreach methods powered by AI technology. Now if you'd purchase these 9 bonus packs individually, it would cost you $2,300. $73, but they're all inside your members area right now. You get them all as a bonus from us just for trying out the AI Creators Club. I'm committed to helping you master AI, which is why for only $1 you can join today for a full month. Now, if after you join you decide for any reason that our club is not right for you, you can cancel your membership within 30 days and you'll never be billed. And we'll even refund you your dollar. Plus you get to keep all the training materials and templates you receive. Now we've designed the AI Creators Club to give you all the tools and all the support you need to start creating stunning content for your business with the use of AI. Now, if you truly love the AI Creators Club and want to share it with others, we got something special for you. As a member, you'll automatically become eligible for our partner program, where you can earn a whopping 50% commission monthly recurring for life, just by referring new members to our club. So not only do you get access to all these incredible resources and bonuses to elevate your content creation game, but you'll also have the opportunity to generate passive income simply by sharing the AI Creators Club with others. Now all you need to get started is to click the Add to Cart button, then fill out a simple one-page order form, and on the next page you'll get immediate instant access to our members area, where you can discover how to use AI literally in a couple minutes from right now. So just click the button that says Add to Cart and then fill out the one-page registration form, and I see you inside the AI Creators Club. And I'll be looking forward to show you how AI can make your life easier.